Today's video is brought to you by Privé Anthony, providing the best athleisure and compression wear. This Thanksgiving, they're having a flash sale, 30 to 40% off everything, starting November 13th through November 28th. Free shipping on all purchases over $90. Just go to www.priveanthony.com to get your wear. Alright, so we're going to prepare our fish them now to cook. Now, a lot of people when they buy fish, they cut the spine fin off. I don't. Why? On the inside of the fish, there are some small bones that are attached to the fin. Once you cut the fin off, those bones tend to loose. And a lot of people when eating fish, those are the little the short stubby bones that will get away in your throat. So for me, I leave the fin on so that easily when I'm eating the fish, I can just easily rip out the fin with all that spinal bone out. And again, it makes the fish look pretty to me. Now a lot of times we go to the fish store, buy fish, and then them say they clean it. My advice is come home and do your little own, clean up. Just double check. Make sure all of the scale get off. So what I'll do is just run the knife over it under some water. What the water does is stop the scales from flipping all over the place. Because sometimes you have scale and you find all the scale way over the other side of the kitchen. The water reduce that. So I run it under water while I just rub the knife over it. And as I'm going, you can see quite a few scales showing up. So no matter how they clean the fish, always good for you to do your own cleaning also. Especially along the fins, the tail, and up on the head. So now we have all of the fish clean, wash them off with lime and everything. We're going to have them drain and get off all the excess water because we're going to fry them. So let's put it down like this for a bit. So we're going to turn on the stove on good heat, right? And we're going to dry the fish. But before we do that, we're going to mix the seasoning, salt, and some black pepper. Now this for me is what I use to do the outside of the fish. Reasons why, make the fish black. Burn mark, leave burn mark on the fish. So the regular seasoning I'll put on the inside. And then the salt and pepper, black pepper, we put on the outside of the fish. So in order to get the fish ready for fry, we'll make another dry run, dry them off, because you don't want the oil pop on, what I say? When I excavation of it, so I have to season the pot and all of that and everything. So we don't need to season the pot and anything. So I'm gonna add some oil. And then now inside I put the fish season. And then on the outside I put the black pepper with salt. So there we go, 1 down, 3 more to go. I'm going to say now just a little Sunday vibes. We are cook some fish. We don't know Jamaicans on Sunday, we can't cook one meat. I have to find a way to cook something else. So I have a piece of chicken, so I say alright, I cook curry. Alright, oil seems hot, so we're going to put in our fish now. So let's go. See if we can get one on sockets in it. One in. So we put in the seasoning. We add a little butter. We add a little butter. Little bit of oil. Now I make the sauce. So I like to make my sauce separate. You know? I just go and stir fry the vegetables. I'm only basically get some hot water, but I don't have any hot water ready at the moment. So this slow down the cooking process. Alright, so now I'm going to add some water. I'm going to add coconut milk. Not a lot. Coconut milk is very overpowering. So don't want to add a lot of coconut milk. And some leftover seasoning earlier. Let me just add it. Nothing now waste, nothing now and dash it. Alright, now you notice a lot of people they might add noodles, they just throw noodles in. You don't want the noodles. You don't want the noodles, you want the flavor. So you remember this. I'm gonna sieve out the noodles to get that flavor. Stir it. Sweet. So what happened, I had it in the fridge. So get a little bit. Alright. So you don't need a lot. Just a little. And so you know, this is a sweet, spicy sweet garlic sauce. You know in the market? Well, trust me. Work wonders. Turn on the fire a little bit. Then I add a little fish and meat sauce. That should do it. Now that my sauce, I add a little bit more water. I like it with a lot of sauce. I like my sauce a lot. So now we're ready to add the fish. And go with the seasoning. And start to make splits. There we go. Sorry, but not now. It's not now. That's it. All right. Now that we're putting that, now we can add the okra. Alright, so we have to make some juice. Make no sense cook Sunday dinner and have something blend up. So I have JUNEPLUM, I have lime, I have banana, I have kiwi, beet, cucumber, pine, and ginger. Now I'm gonna use everything, but we're gonna just pick out it and make some juice. Alright? So I'm gonna just cut the peel and then just throw in a blender and whatever I mix, whatever it come out, we just see how it works. Alright?
Jamaica.